45 more COVID cases and 8 more deaths reported in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica reported 45 more new COVID cases and 8 more additional deaths, bringing the total number of confirmed cases to 91,972, and the death toll now stands at 2,441. According to the Minister of Health and Wellness, the deaths occurred between August 24th and December 14. The deceased are a 67-year-old man from Manchester, an 85-year-old man from Hanover, two women from St. Elizabeth, ages 81 and 72, a 92-year-old man from St. Elizabeth, an 88-year-old woman from St. James, a 93-year-old woman from Portland, and a 95-year-old man from St. Mary. Of the newly reported cases, there are 24 females and 21 males, with age ranging from 1 to 88 years old. The cases were recorded in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. James with 9 each, Manchester, St. Anne's, and St. Catherine with 7 each, St. Thomas 4, Trelawney and Westmoreland 1 each. The country also recorded 37 recoveries, bringing the total number of recoveries to 63,661. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.